Gold and silver traded bullish for the day. We have seen gold moving close to 26.46-47 zone, while silver has also moved towards 29.40-60, the greater resistance zone. What to expect now from metals with the US session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update with the Asia and Europe session must have already profited with the buy call in gold at 26.36. So let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first. Gold on the hourly charts. Notice this rise, consolidation, rise, support levels are now positioned at 2630. It is only below 2630. I will recommend you to sell. As long as 2630 is respected, I'll be recommending you not to sell gold. Yes, it is trading with divergence and it is still bullish. Rise, consolidation, rise. I will wait for the next candle, and once it trades about 2646, stay bullish for 2651, 52 as the first, and then if it stays over 2651, 52, chances will be very high that we are looking forward to 2660, 64 zone very soon. If not today, then by tomorrow, as long as it stays about 2651, 52, we can expect 2660, 64. What's happening right now? See, after this rise, it is shying away from breaking beyond 2646, 50 zone. Good resistance zone. Also, remember, any drop below 2630 is a good sign for more bearishness. Moving averages have crossed over. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is still on rise. It is looking upwards, and yes, it can continue to rise here for more. RSI is over. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation. Look at the support it has created at 2630. 4 to 5 candles just shying away from breaking below 2630, making it a very strong support zone. And in fact, even if you see gold trading below 2630, do not treat this as bearish as long as 2624 levels are not taken today. Only below 2624, we can say that the bears are back. Also, look at this. See, once increasing body size, flat bottom, higher highs. So yes, it is increasingly turning bullish, and now the next possible targets are towards 26, 51, 52 levels. Moving averages crossing over here is a very good sign, suggests how strong is the support it has now at 26, 30, 20 zone. The stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought here. On the 3 similar is the observation on the 3 hour chart. See, first a double bottom is created. With the double bottom, we have seen two increasingly bullish candles, and now I'm expecting a third one to be here, but yes, only buying entry to be at around 2646. Moving averages crossing over here, good sign for the bulls. This again strengthens the support zone at 2624 and 2620 levels. The next stochastic overbought here, MACD rising, RSI to the top. On the 4th, the observation is more or less same. I'm just connecting the channel here. See, this is how it has been trading. The highs now at around 2650, 152 zone, and the lows now for this channel at around 2630. So these levels are definitely going to remain important for the day. And if you notice this, look at the preceding candle. See, this double bottom is very important for me, because see, it has strengthened this position at 3032, and now it is delivering higher highs. So unless and until 3032 zone is not taken, we should not be treating this as bearish, and specifically only bearishness is below 2624. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD, RSI both are rising. Coming to the, and before we move on to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, what's happening on the daily chart? See, first of all, the crossover in the moving averages and the divergence here suggests gold is trading in a bearish territory. But what has happened? See, first of all, notice this, the consolidation at 60-50 zone, and then a sharp dip has appeared. Now, if you connect the dots, you will find this is under retracement, where the highs at around 2651, 52, or the breakout zone at around 2660, 64. So 2651, 52 is something you should watch out for. In fact, I will recommend 2655, 56 also as an additional intermittent resistance, and we are looking forward to, ideally beyond 2651, 52, we are looking forward to 2660, 64. But yes, be cautious just as around 2655, 56. Now notice the formation rise, consolidation, and a breakout. It appears that it may deliver similar size of candle, which suggests that it can in fact break beyond 2650. But let's wait for it to happen. Now, if you notice a drop, look at the double top here, then lower lows. So it may try to move towards lower highs. Now, lower highs means 2700 ideally is possible here. Stochastic rising, MACD has just crossed over, it is still looking bullish, and the RSI is also looking upward. So considering, I'll recommend you to buy here at 2646 levels, expected to move towards 2651, 52. First target 2655, 56 second, and then 2660, 64. Now 60, 64 is ideally an achievable level, and it is going to be definitely greater resistance. But yes, these levels are confirmed only and only if we are seeing that gold is staying above 2652, then you can say 60, 64 is definitely achievable. In fact, I'll recommend you to buy at 2644 itself. And on the sell side, I will recommend you, now if you're buying at 44, be watchful and alert till 2651, 52. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 2634. Expect 2630 as a very, very good support at 2630, 32, and then 2624, 25. Now, only and only if you see gold trading below 26, 24, 25, we can say that the bears are back and you can look forward to a greater correction, chances of which appears to be less. I do not see gold breaking below 26, 24, 25 levels any point of time today. And thus take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to silver on the hourly chart. See, I'll say that it is showing a bit of swings here, higher highs, lower lows. The median at around 29.30, and see the support level still towards 29.10, 20 is very, very strong on the upside, and it is showing a bit of sideways movement here. Let it break beyond 29.50, 29.60 zone, which is going to be a good resistance zone. I have mentioned earlier in the day why 29.40, 29.60, these complete levels are going to remain a greater resistance for silver. I can see a bit of a struggle in the same zone. What is happening here? See, after hitting the highs, we have seen a retracement. After hitting the highs, it can retrace. But again, here as well, you have to notice that 29.20, 29.15 levels should act as a greater support. These are definitely stronger here. Moving averages crossing over here, good sign for the bulls. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI at the top already. On the 2 hour charts, the observation is very much similar here. You can see rise, retracement, and again trying to break out, but a bit of a struggle here. Now see why there is a struggle. Look at the consolidation zone earlier, and it is finding it difficult to break past the same zone. Thus this zone becomes very critical for silver to break past by, and now ideally it has to trade now about 29.60 levels in order to confirm a move towards $30 levels. It is possible because see the more time it is spent here, look at the consolidation. Stronger consolidation means a stronger rise, means it can achieve higher highs. I'll wait for a breakout here. The stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to 3, the observation is more or less same, rise, retracement, and see first bullish candle. I expect the second one has to be there, means it has to deliver a breakout here. And this suggests that if you see silver trading about 29.50, you can buy here. When you see the lower prices about 29.50, you can buy here. In fact, if you see silver at about 29.45, the lower price about 29.45, buy here and expect 29.60, 29.80, and $30 levels as the next targets. See, so far for last few weeks we have seen, or last few sessions we have seen, silver consolidating in a very range bound zone. Notice this. This is what it has happened for last few trading sessions, and thus silver needs to come out of this. Let's see if today or this week it is delivering this. Stochastic here is overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to the observation is similar. See, it is consolidated enough. Here it has formed a very strong support at 28.80, one of my favorite levels. Here on the downside, with that as support, it is willing to deliver a breakout. Once it stays about 29.50, 60 zone, we can expect a greater rise, taking it till towards possibly towards $30 levels. Possibility is very high. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over for the buys, and the RSI is looking upwards. On the day, now on the daily chart, here interesting point to note here is the support it has formed. It is ideally forming a double bottom, and it is trying to bounce back. I'll be looking at the highs here, and it can try to breach past the highs. So this is forming a symmetry here. Now this appears that this candle will breach past the preceding highs of this candle, which means it can try to move beyond 29.60, or in fact can move towards 29.80 levels. Now, as I shared, till $30 levels, we have very good resistances for silver here. Hitting the zone is what we will notice how it behaves. Now, first point is, can we expect a move towards $30 level soon? Yes, I think 29.40, 29.60 is the zone. We will watch out how it behaves it. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It can be the double bottom, and a reversal here from here is highly likely. Likewise with the RSI, similar formation here. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy silver. If you see the lower price about 29.45, initiate a buying entry here. Expect 29.60, 29.75, 80, and $30 levels. Beyond 30, believe me, we are looking forward to a greater rise in the month of January, we can expect it to move towards 31-32 zone very, very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend now a selling entry only at 29.20 levels, 29.20, 29.50, very, very good support. Below that, 29 and 28.80. Only and only if silver trades below 29 and 28.80, you can say that the bears are back and a crash can be expected. And I do not see any such chance today that it is going to break below 28.80. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update with the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Thank you.